Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a firework theme makeup look because it is bonfire night tomorrow and I really want to do some kind of bonfire look on my face. So I'm thinking dark blue, light blue, purples, like hints of purples. I'm not sure, I might use a little bit of black, but I feel like it could possibly ruin it because, you know, fireworks light up the sky. And yeah, let's see what we can create. So let's get into it now. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to use this flat brush, which is kind of a bit bigger to, like, you know, the small flat brushes, because I want a bit more, I want it to be a bit more bigger so I can get like more product on my face, you know. So what I'm going to do is go dark to light. I'm just going to choose a good blue. I want to go with, I'm scared. Okay, Stormy Night, let's do it. Stormy Night. Let's do it. So I want to go like, kind of like this, you know. So let's do that. And I will come back once I've finished. Okay, I look crazy, but it's definitely a trust the process moment. So I'm going to go back in with the Stormy Night again. I did use a bit of light blue, but instead I'm going to use more of like a blending brush because it needs to be blended a lot more. And obviously I can't really blend with a flat brush because it won't look right, but I feel like this is definitely going to give me that proper blended look. So yeah, it's just trusting the process. It looks crazy, I know it looks crazy, but it's gonna come together. I'm gonna do this. I have to have faith in myself, confidence. So I'm just making sure I'm going right under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, right under and right up to my temples. So I will be back. So I'm now using Rivera, a different shade of blue, because I feel like it's more, you know, whereas like this is not as in your face. It hasn't got much pigment, as much as I want for this look basically. So yeah, no thank you. My daughter is literally trying to grab my eyeshadow palette, but yeah, so I'm gonna go with this and I'm gonna go with the light blue, bringing it up to here. Hopefully it all comes together because I look crazy. Now I'm gonna use a purple, so I'm probably gonna go with I feel like I'm gonna go with Drama Queen because it's the dark one, and that's what I kind of want it to be, like a dark sky. I mean, people probably use like face paint for this stuff, but me, I'm being creative and using eyeshadow. Whether it comes out okay or not, I don't know. I know right now it's looking really crazy, but like I said, trust the process. And yeah, I'm just gonna sort this out and come back. Honestly, this is completely out of my comfort zone. I feel like I look like a plum or something that's gone wrong, but it's fine. It's fine. So I'm gonna do some eyeshadow as well, kind of similar to the colours I put on my face. So just going with the white. I'm gonna put some concealer on, make a half cut crease, and I'll be back. Okay, so let me just explain what I've done here, because I look completely different to before. It's crazy, I know. I really hope this comes together. But so what I did was I put some purple eyeshadow here and pink above it. Then I've put some black kind of pretend contour like on my forehead and on where you normally contour, and I've kind of dragged it down my neck a little bit. I probably look like a zombie more than anything, but it's okay. Like I don't know, this is my first time trying something like this anyway. So like I said before, I'm gonna do a cut crease, a half cut crease. So I might make it a full crease, I don't know, I'll see how it's looking. A full cut crease, we'll see. So let's do this. Okay, so I've decided to do a full cut crease. I'm just hoping now that when I add my liners on, the look will come together. So I have these different colour liners. I think I'm going to go with a white liner first and like make fireworks. This is going to be the fun bit. So I've made the canvas, now I'm going to paint, you know what I mean? So we just got this little mirror here. So I'm thinking to go around here and like, yeah. See, for me, I am a visual person. So when I was looking at looks to create, it was very hard for me because the idea that I've got in my mind, I thought someone may have done it, but they haven't. So if anything, I might have to find some things that are very similar and look at the pictures of actual fireworks and just draw that onto my face with the liner. So yeah, so I'm gonna do white first, just do it as if it is a firework, which I'm actually struggling to do, but it's okay. It's all about making mistakes, doing it again, you know. Honestly, this is one of the things that is way out of my comfort zone. This is not comfortable for me whatsoever. Like, this whole time I've been doing this, like, I'm not gonna lie, I don't like it, but I'm just gonna keep going, see what I can create, and if people like it, they like it, you know what I mean? I just really hope that this comes together, because I'm not too sure right now, if I'm honest. Like, this doesn't look like a firework. Okay, it's kind of coming together, so now I'm going to use a blue liner and just kind of like go over parts on the white liner that I feel like don't really look good, and see if this kind of like makes it come together. I don't really know if it will make a lot of difference, but yeah. I'm trying to kind of just go around in a circle, follow the lines I've already done. If you can see, it kind of looks okay, I guess, for a first try. I don't know. But yeah. So I've created something like this. I've done fireworks on this side. I prefer this side to this side if I'm being honest, but yeah, so I've done some spirals, some fireworks. I've wrote 2022 here. I don't really like the way I wrote it. So as I was saying, I don't like the 2022 I wrote here. I feel like I could have just done it in white, but it's okay. I just done a little bit of white around it. I think I should have just stuck to fireworks personally. I do like this side. I love the spirals that I've created, like, you know, there's fireworks that have spirals in it. I wanted to do something up here, you know, the ones that kind of go like that and spiral down, but maybe if I put a bit of white in that, it should like define it a bit. Now I've wrote 22 up here, then I got my brush and just went like that just to make it blend in a bit with the makeup. And yeah, so what I'm thinking of doing is putting some liner on the crease. So probably this, it's out of these two pinks. I feel like it will look really cute. Eyelashes, but yeah, like You don't have to go like this obviously for bonfire night. It's just like if you wanted to do something simple, obviously none of this colour underneath, just the fireworks. But I just wanted to be creative and see what I can create, so I'm gonna come back and show you guys the final look. So this is the finished look. I just went over with some black eyeliner for the 22. It was a risky move, but it did help. I couldn't really get this bit any better, but I definitely prefer this side of the makeup to this side. I hope you guys like it. It's took me about 2 hours in total. Yeah, so I hope you guys like this one. Nice little firework look. I've just put a little bit of white liner dotted around to create like an effect of stars in the sky. But yeah, I hope you guys like it. And I wouldn't say this is my best makeup look, but I've never done something like this before, and it's purely just eyeshadow. So I would say I'm proud of myself in one sense, like for this side, but for this side not as proud, just because I feel like it could be better. But you know, there's the positive, there's the negatives, and I'm just going to use the positives, and hopefully next time if I do a look similar to this, I just know what I need to work on. But yeah, I hope you guys like this look, and don't forget to like and subscribe.